Let me walk you through the process of using Leonardo AI to create stunning images, and then we'll look at the best strategies for selling your creations. First, open Leonardo AI and log in using your Google account. I chose Leonardo AI because it's free and provides 150 tokens daily, plus you retain full commercial rights for the images you generate. Once logged in, you'll see links to various user tools like image generation, Leave Canvas, and Canvas Editor. There's also an upcoming feature called Motion that will allow you to create generative videos, which we'll explore in more detail shortly. Below these tools, you'll find recent creations showcasing models made by other users. Simply select a model, and a pop-up will display details such as the prompt used, negative prompts, the model employed, and the seed number to recreate that specific image style. Underneath that, you'll see a collection of examples created with that model. To generate images, you can click the Generate with this model button, but I'll share an alternative method later. You can also access these models exclusively from the community feed section, where you can browse by trending, new, or top models. Similarly, the personal feed keeps track of the images you've already created. You can find all the aforementioned categories under their respective tabs. The AI image generation section is where you'll create your images. At the top, there's a text field for entering your prompt. Just below that, you can choose a model. If you want to explore other models, click on Select Other Model and choose from the options we discussed earlier in the video. Initially, you'll need to experiment with different models to find the one that produces the style of images you're looking for, whether it's for digital prints, storybooks, or a masterpiece. Once you've selected your model, click on it, and you can start using it by selecting Generate with this model. Additionally, you can use a negative prompt to specify elements you don't want in your image, which is particularly useful for refining images by addressing deformities or unwanted features. Next, there are Add Elements or LoRa low-rank adaptation, which allow for precise control over the style and visual outcome of the generated images. You can achieve this by adding any of the dynamic modifiers or LoRa elements based on your desired style. As you scroll down, the Generation History tab will show all the images you've created. The Image Guidance section includes the Image-to-Image option, which lets you upload a reference image to guide the generation of your artwork. The Prompt Generation feature enables you to expand on simple prompt ideas and develop more complex concepts. For example, if you input futuristic landscape and then click on Ideate, the tool will generate various concepts based on your initial prompt. Let's try the first idea, and here's the result. Feel free to come up with new ideas or tweak the prompt to craft your masterpiece. On the left, you can select how many images you want from one prompt. I recommend 4 for a good variety. You can enable photoreal for hyper-realistic photos and lifelike portraits, but remember that this requires Alchemy to be turned on. Similarly, Alchemy operates under the same principles. Once activated, this feature enhances image quality by increasing contrast and adding finer details. It's a premium option that you can try up to 5 times. Below that, you'll find Prompt Magic, a feature designed to amplify the impact of your prompts. You can enable high contrast and adjust the prompt strength as needed. Next, you can modify the dimensions of your images. Leonardo recommends using 1024 by 1024 pixels. Additionally, under Advanced Controls, you can select an aspect ratio, such as 9:16 for Instagram and YouTube Shorts, or adjust it manually. The guidance scale allows you to control how closely the generated image aligns with your prompt. A lower value indicates less resemblance. I recommend setting this around 7 or 8. Now let's explore a fun feature. Enter your idea in the prompt box, click the rolling dice button, and select Improve Prompt. This will generate a detailed prompt based on your input. This amazing feature is designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros, and can help you create unique masterpieces that may surprise even yourself. Now let's return to the User Tools section where we started with AI image generation. Click on Live Canvas, choose a color using the color picker, then click on the brush icon to adjust the brush width as needed. As you draw, the system will suggest images based on your sketches. You can also enter a prompt to define your image. This topic is interesting enough for a separate video, so I won't go into further details here. Next is the Canvas Editor, where you can enhance an existing image. For example, let's take the image we generated earlier and work on enlarging it. The main idea is to place a box with half extending beyond the image boundaries and the other half inside. This is crucial for providing a reference point for Leonardo to understand your intentions. Below that, describe the element you want to add. On the right, I've set the number of images to generate as 4. You'll receive 4 options. Pick the one that best aligns with your creative vision. You can also add text and sketch directly on the canvas before clicking to download your artwork. The Canvas editor is a highly valuable tool when used creatively. Now, let's explore the best ways to monetize your AI art. The first method is creating digital prints and selling them on platforms like Etsy, Sachiart, Redbubble, or Shopify. To get started, sign up for a free account on any of these sites, upload your images in PNG format, and earn money for each sale. I'll provide links to all these websites in the description below for your convenience. Another way to generate income from your AI art is through print-on-demand services, which involve printing your images on items like t-shirts, bags, and other accessories. You can join an online store like Redbubble to print your images on various products and sell them to customers. To wrap it up, I will be signing up on the aforementioned platforms to offer my artworks for sale. The goal is to document my experience over time and create a review video sharing the results I achieve on each platform. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing.